students, I am Rajiv sir. I will be teaching you maths in standard 6A.
Students, now I am going to start chapter 1 numbers, the rest of this exercise. In this chapter you learn about numbers, so rest is estimation. Estimation, rounding off, means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. You must remember rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. There are certain steps for rounding of numbers to the nearest tens, and they are as follows. While rounding off to the nearest 10, if the digit in the ones place is between 0 to 4, that is less than 5, then the ones digit is replaced by 0 and other digits will remain the same. Second one, if the digit in the ones place is from 5 to 9, then the ones place is replaced by 0 and the tens place is increased by 1. For example, see here. Number 1, round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Question is 1242. So given number is 1242. Since the digit at the ones place of the given number is 2, which is less than 5. Therefore, digit at the ones place will be replaced by 0 and the remaining digits will remain the same. Therefore, 1242 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 1240, not 1242. Answer is 1240, 1240. Next question is 21,485. So given number is 21,485. Since the digit at the ones place of the given number is 5, therefore digit at the ones place will be replaced by 0 and the digits at the tens place will be increased by 1. So therefore 21,485 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 21,490. See here, this is the required answer for this given question. Now, rounding off numbers to the nearest hundreds. There are certain steps for rounding off numbers to the nearest hundreds, and they are as follows. Number 1, while rounding off to the nearest hundreds, if the digits at the tens place is between 0 to 4, that is less than 5, then the tens and ones place digit is replaced by 0 and other digit will remain the same. And the second one, if the digit at the tens place is equal to or greater than 5, then the tens and ones place is replaced by 0 and the hundred place is increased by 1. See here, question number 1, for round off the following numbers to the nearest hundred. 7,424 is the question. So given number is 7,424. Since the digit at the tens place is 2, ones tens place is 2, that is less than 5. Therefore, the digit at the ones and the tens place will be replaced by 0 and the other digits will remain the same. So therefore, 7,424 rounded off to the nearest hundred is 7,400. 24 is replaced. So answer is 7,400. You see here 7,400. Next question is given number is 36,258. Since the digit at the tens place is equal to 5, therefore the digit at the ones place and tens place will be replaced by 0 and the digits at the hundred place will be increased by 1. Therefore, 36,258 rounded off to the nearest hundred is 36,300. See here, 36,300. Next question is 8,34,567. So given number is 8,34,567. Since the digit at the tens place is 6, that is greater than 5. Therefore, the digits at the ones and the tens place will be replaced by 0 and the digits at the hundred place will be increased by 1. Therefore, 8,34,567 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is 8,34,600. See here, 8,34,600. This is the required answer. Now, rounding off nearest to the now rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands. There are certain steps to round off a number to the nearest thousands, and they are as follows. Number one, while rounding off to the nearest thousand, if the digits at the hundreds place is between 0 to 4, that is less than 5, then the hundreds, tens, ones place is replaced by 0 and other digits remain same. Next, if the digits in the hundred place is equal to or greater than 5, then the hundreds, tens, ones place is replaced by 0 and the thousand place is increased by 1. See here, for example, round off the following numbers to the nearest thousand. Number 1, 6,248 the question. So since the digits at the hundred place is 2, ones, tens, hundred place is 2, that is less than 5. Therefore, the digits at the ones, tens, and hundred place will be replaced by 0, and the other digit will remain the same. Therefore, the round of the nearest thousand is 6,000 is replaced by 0. So, the nearest thousand is 6,000 only. Next question, given number is 34,964. Since the digits at the hundred place is 9, ones, tens, hundred place is 9, that is greater than 5. Therefore, the digits at the ones, tens, and hundred place will be replaced by 0, and the digits at the thousands place will be increased by 1. Therefore, 34,964 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 35,000. See here, 35,000. Similarly, next question, given number is 7,24,780. In this question, since the digits at the hundreds place is 7, that is greater than 5, therefore the digits at the ones, tens, and hundred place will be replaced by 0, and the digits at the thousands place will be increased by 1. Therefore, 7,24,780 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 7,25,000. See here, 7,25,000 is the answer for this question. Estimation of sum, difference, and product. While estimating any sum or difference, you should have an idea of why you need to round off and therefore the place to which you would round off. While estimating product, round off the numbers using reasonable estimate, then multiply the rounded off factors. See question number 1. Find the estimated sum of 6,384 and 18,264 by first rounding of the numbers. See here, rounding of the given numbers to the nearest hundred, we get 6,400 and 18,300. So the estimated sum will be added 6,400 plus 18,300 is equal to 24,700. Similarly, question number 2, find the estimated difference of 8,999 and 64 by first rounding of the numbers. Solution answer here, rounding of the numbers 8,999 to its nearest thousand, we get 9,000, and 64 is rounded off to the nearest 10 is 60. So the estimated difference is 9,000 minus 60. 9,000 minus 60 is equal to 8,940. Similarly, question number 3, estimate the product of 93 and 576 by first rounding of the numbers. Rounding of 93 to its nearest 10 tens, we get 90. See here, 93, 90, and 576 to its nearest 100, we get 600. So therefore, estimated product is 90 multiplied by 600 is equal to 54,000. Students, now I am solving each question from Let's Practice exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Question number A, 453. So The round of nearest 10 is 450. Answer. Question number B. You have to convert in the nearest tens. 3,458. The round of value is 3,460. Now, question number 2 of this exercise, round off to the nearest 100. Nearest hundreds. Question number A, 25,339. The nearest 100, this number becomes 25,300. Similarly, question number B is 4,572. This value becomes, the nearest 100 is 4,600. Now, I am solving question number 3. Round off the numbers to the nearest 1,000. To the nearest 1,000. Question number A, 6,498. So, this number becomes, the nearest 1,000 is 6,000. Next question is 8,631. This number becomes, the nearest 1,000 is 9,000. Now, next is use of brackets. Students, you just know about how can you use. Brackets are inserted to separate the operation inside it from its outside operations. Firstly, everything inside the bracket is turned into a single number, and then that number is used for the outside operations. So, question number 1, see example here. This is given in your book. Frame the expression for the following statement using brackets. Number 1, 7 multiplied to the sum of the 3 and 2. So, answer is 7 multiplied. So, write 7 multiplied to the sum of the 3 and 2. Sum, that means use plus sign for the two numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So, this is the answer for the question number A. Next question is B. 60 divided by 2 times the sum of 10 and 5. So, 60 divided by 2 times the two numbers 10 and 5. Sum of 10 and 5 is 10 plus 5 is here. So, this is the answer for the question number B. C. 14 multiplied to the difference of 5 and 2. 14 multiplied the difference of 5 and 2. Therefore, you can use minus sign for difference. So, 14 into, in bracket, 5 minus 2. This is the answer for the question number C. Question number D. Difference of 20 and 16 divided by 4. So, difference means write the minus signs between the two numbers 20 and 16. 20 minus 16. Use bracket because the difference of two numbers. So, you must use this bracket and use after that write the symbol for division and divided by 4. The divided by 4. So, this is the required answer for the question number D. Now, expansion of bracket. More number of brackets in an expression helps us to perform the calculations in steps with greater accuracy. Question number 1. So, simplify the following expressions using the bracket. 19 into 203. So, 19, you can resolve 19 like this. 10 plus 9, 19 multiplied by 203. And this is use distribution law for that. 10 into 203. Use plus sign. 9 into 203. Then after multiplication, you will get 2030. After multiplication, you will get plus 1827. When you add, you will get 3857. So, this is the simplification for the given question. Question number B. 101 into 104. You can resolve 101 into 100 plus 1 in one bracket into 104 in another bracket, 100 plus 4. And after that, you multiply each number by distribution 100 into 100 plus 100 into 4 plus 100 into 1 plus 1 into 4. After that, you multiply 100 into 100 is 10,000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 100 1 100 plus 4 1 4. After that, you add all these numbers, 10,000 plus 400 and 100, 504, and 504 added with 10,000. The answer is 10,504. Students, already you study about that Roman numerals in previous class. In ancient time, Roman numerals were used to represent the numerals we can see today in wall clocks. Following letters are used in Rome to name the numbers given below the letters. You must remember these numbers. M stands for 1000, D for 500, C 100, L 50, X used for 10, V 5, and I for 1. So there are certain rules which are followed by writing Roman numerals. The value of symbol is added to the basis of numbers of times it occurs. For example, triple X is used for 30. Therefore, X stands for 110. So 3X is written here. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, that means 30. Similarly, point number 2. The repetition of a particular symbol is not allowed more than 3 times. You must remember points. Symbols D, L, and V are never repeated. You must remember. Point number 4. A symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value and is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. So these points must remember, the students. Next point is, there are some symbols, that is V, L, and D, that are never written to the left of a symbol with the greater values. These symbols are never subtracted. See, example number 1. Add the following numbers in Roman numerals. 57. You can resolve 57 like this. 50 plus 7. L stands for 50 and 7. V 1 1. So this is 7. You can write in Roman numerals 57 is L, V, and double I. Now students, I am solving some questions of let's practice 1.6. One question from it. Question number 1. Frame the expressions for the following statement using brackets. Question number A is 6 multiplied to the sum of 5 and 7. So the answer is 6 multiplied to the sum of 5 and 6. 6 multiplied the sum of 5 and 7. Sum of 5 and 7. This is the answer for this question. Question number B of question number 1. 24 divided by the difference of 12 and 4. Answer is 24 divided by the difference of 12 and 4. Difference of 12 and 4. This is the answer for this question. Now, question number 2 of let's practice 1.6. To question number A. Simplify the following using bracket. 16 into 208. You can write 16 like this. 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16 into 208. After that, multiply this number. 10 into 208 plus 6 into 208 is equal to 2080 plus 1248. After adding, you will get 3328. This is the answer. Now, question number 3. Write the following numbers in Roman numerals. 3 of A, 6. You can write in Roman numerals. 6 is V and I. Question number B, 89. In Roman numerals, you can write L, X, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 9. This is the answer. Now, question number 4 of question number A, 4 of A. Write the following Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. So, question is triple X, X is equal to 10, 10, 10. That means 30. Answer. Question number B. Question is X, C, I, X. That means 110, 99. Answer is 99. This is the final answer. Okay. Now, last refer to the question which is given on the Teno app as a homework. Thank you.